Nature, an extraordinary thing, with many green plants and grass and trees.
I'd always been fascinated by nature, ever since I was a little tack. I've been such a big fan of the greenness of nature.
It's nature, It's like nature. I surprised on the streets. 'Cause, it's organic. It comes from the ground. It's natural. It's good for you. Yeah. You want to buy some weed?
These days, nature is being harmed by many things, so we must help them. This tree must live, while this trash must die. This grass must live, while this bench must die. This grass also must live, while this building must die. This tall grass should live, while this stove thingamajig must die.
Nature's okay, I guess. I mean, it's pretty green. Trees are nice, I guess. You can climb them and stuff. But,
By the way, this human must die because he is not a plant.
So, as you can see, nature, as you can see around you, such as that tree, that all must live. While things such as that house over there, they must burn and suffer. The pollution may ruin a bit of nature, but nature shall create more oxygen, and anything that is not green and is not nature must die. Thank you for watching my nature documentary, and if you want to learn more, you can find me at the number of 1-800 nature is beautiful. So that's very nice. Now I am going to go and destroy that house. Here are the credits as I walk away. Yes.